Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Kawi Katana. Going to go make a little run real quick. Brought the wife. Trying a new setup. As you know, I don't have my helmet cover on this helmet because the way I have my new camera set up right here, it'll go under it right here, but it'll fly off. So I have it right here, and I didn't want to fly off. So using this helmet, especially the way I have my camera mounted, won't be used for my helmet covers. So that's okay. You don't have to wear them every day, all the time, every day. So I'm okay with that. Plus, I have the Cine 20, and my wife has the Cine 20 on our helmets. So we just kind of keep them together, because she doesn't wear helmet covers. I wish she did. But this time, instead of, I got my GoPro Hero Session 5 in the front, and I have my Hero Session 5 here. I am using an external microphone that I have wired all the way to my sweatshirt, because the thing about it is it's going to be getting cold here soon, so I'll be wearing jackets and sweatshirts and stuff like that, so I can be able to put this in my pocket and things like that, and don't have to worry about frailing around and stuff like that. So I just want to know how the sound will be, because I want to have better sound on my videos, and I know that my sound kind of sucks on some of them, I guess. Scooter guy. And I just kind of want to make my videos better. The thing about it is, if you're going to YouTube and you're going to do videos, you always try to do better. You always try to get some better equipment and stuff like that. Now that doesn't mean that you go out and spend your whole paycheck on equipment. You got to get some here and there, and then try things out. And also watch other YouTubers like Do It With Dan and Chase and Jake the Garden Snake. Those guys, they're all up on the new technology and what's coming out new and what works best and stuff. So you just kind of do what they do a little bit. So I'm trying out this new microphone, and hopefully it sounds good. I won't know until editing time. So out here riding with the wife on her bike. As you know, she's got a 2004. Oh, watch it. She got a 2004 Kawasaki ZZR 1200. So, she used to have the Kawi Katana, the Katana 750, which was her first bike, and she's had that for years. She loves that bike, but I told her it's time to upgrade. And so yes, I know it doesn't look like much. It's got missing fairings and ugly paint and all those things. But the good thing about that bike is it is a 1200, and I got it for a good ass deal. It only has 9,000 miles on it, so it has extremely low miles. And it's really good. It's a really good bike.